If you have a topic in mind, but you don't know where to get started, then you can easily start from a topic in Microsoft Suite. So let's see how that works out. So if I were to go over here on to start from a topic just like this, here you can see that it is powered by Wikipedia. That means the outline of the topic that you're going to work around with it is generated and references are created as well. So it's very easy to start creating your presentation on the topic. So I'm just going to go around and type in YouTube as the topic right here. And then I'm going to create the outline. So if I were to click on this, now let's see what happens. So it says just a moment. And now what it did is bring in information from YouTube. So YouTube is an American online video sharing platform. So where did it get all of these information from? You can see that all of the information is here now. So it got all of these information from Wikipedia and arranged it out in different cards. So you already have a presentation ready. So you can go on to the design section and you can see that design is here as well. So you got pictures as well. It got the pictures from Wikipedia as well. And you can see that this is how the page has been managed. And you didn't have to do anything just like that. So you can just go around and select, let's say, for example, a different style, and then your presentation is ready. So just go over here and click it, and there you go. You got an entire layout just like that, and that is how everything is seen. So you can see that you got the basic information ready. So it's just the matter of editing it. So you can go on to the storyline just like this, and then you can go around. Maybe you want to remove out a card. Maybe you want to say YouTube to tube. Let's say, for example, you can do this just like that. And then you can go on to design just like that, and everything will be generated. And you can also edit these out as well. So now you can also go around, edit this out. Let's say, for example, you can go around, change the text, go around, and that is how interactive it is. So that is how you can create a new sway right from a topic, and it takes in information from Wikipedia and creates a sway document for you. Let us try that again. Let us go to sway, and then I'm going to go to start from a topic. I'm just going to say something like binary numbers, for example, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say binary numbers and create outline. And what it does is it brings in, you can see that it is confused. So it is asking me which one I want. So I'm just going to go around into binary number just like that. And I'm going to click on create outline, and it'll take the topic and bring in like the history, all the information from Wikipedia for it. And you got the design for it as well. And this is how it created the layout just like that, as you can see. So that is how you can create a new sway from topic using Microsoft Sway. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.